In this video, I'm going to show you how I use proper alignment, text clipping, and text wrapping to really make my Google Sheets clean and easy to read and easy for everyone to understand quickly. So it really depends on what you're trying to do and what you're trying to analyze in terms of how you align data. But in this case, I'm going to show you some of the things that I use with our strategy sheets. So the first thing I like to do is I like to take something like this, right, where the URL is currently being wrapped, right? And this kind of doesn't let me see a lot of rows at once. So what I like to do is I'm going to click on this column up top, and I'm going to go to text wrap and actually clip this. Now I can see a lot more rows at once, and I can expand this out, and I can see the entire URL and really get an understanding of what these pages are about without even having to click into them. So that's super helpful. Another thing I like to do is I like to go to my rank, and I like to, my first column, and I like to make a horizontal design right down the middle so I can see it super clear. The next thing I do is I take my top row, and I like to wrap that so that I can understand what all of these headers are and get a quick glance and understanding of what they are and what they mean. From there, I like to do a little vertical alignment, horizontal alignment, and maybe sometimes spread some things out so that it's clean and easy to understand. Then search traffic is one that I really like to look at a lot, so I'm going to pull that as well. And then the last thing I do is I kind of pull my number all the way down, because some of these ones that don't have the commas, I like to see the formatting with the number. So I'm going to go down here and see it in proper formatting. So those are a couple things I do. The last thing I'll do sometimes is, I don't like this, this notes text kind of overflowing. Sometimes I'll have other records here, such as like a teammates outlet record, which is our CRM, and I don't want that really flowing in there. So sometimes I'll wrap these notes and kind of spread them out a little bit so I can get a good look at those notes and get an understanding of what this is all about. So this is how we align our data and use text clipping for this particular circumstance. Every circumstance is going to be a little bit different depending on what you're trying to do. But at the end of the day, it's all about how can I make this data really clean and easy for me to understand at a glance. And that's really what we try to do here.